All right, guys, so if you are seeing this on your screen, whenever you try to increase the brightness of your screen or reduce the brightness, you are having this error message. Let me show you how we can get this off your screen in just few minutes. The first thing you want to do is to come to your search page and then search for service. So you're going to type service, and once service opens up, you're going to click on it and then to show up like this. So you want to get rid of this particular issue. So I'm going to take it off so that we can get rid of it at no time. So now I want to look for, the next thing we're going to do is to look for HP. So let's look for it. So we're just going to go to H and then we'll look for this particular settings. HP Hotkey WP service. So right click on it and then click on properties here. So once that is done, the next thing you want to do is click on disable. Make sure you disable it. Once you disable it, then you apply. Click on apply. Once you're done, click on apply. Wait for some few seconds. It is done. You click OK. So this is done. This is temporary. This is actually temporary. But if you want to completely make sure that it doesn't come back again on your system, then you have to follow this particular link. I'll be posting this link on the comment section. This is the link here. I'm going to all follow this link, then just click on link and I'll send you this link. Then once you have this link, all you have to do is to copy it and then paste it on your browser. So you can copy it and then paste it on your browser. So for example, I'm going to paste it on one of my browser and download this particular link. So the link is already done downloading. So I'm going to come to download and here we go. So this is the link. So the next thing you have to do is just simply install. Like I said before, what we have to do is to click on the software we just downloaded and install it. So this is what is going to come up on your screen. So you want to click on yes and follow the prompt here by clicking. This is HP software. So you have to install it on your system, accept the terms in the license agreement and install it. So once you are done installing this, it's going to install your Hotkey software for you and you are never going to have that issues anymore. So you can see it's ready to install. Once this is done installing, that issue is never going to come up on your system anymore because now you have the software installed on your computer device. So we are going to click on next and then next. You can see you can click on next and install and then that's all. So once this is done, you have nothing to worry about. The next thing you want to do is to restart your system. Once you are done restarting your system, you are good to go. Don't forget to save this video because you are definitely going to need it. Share it so that we can help someone out there.